This bell is its 52nd year. This is a family heirloom. If my mother were here right now, she would tell the story, but she's not home from work yet. But this tree is very special. I mean, the bell's really special. Well, yeah, the tree's pretty special too. You want to see somebody else who's special? Look. Daddy boy. Daddy boy's special, right? Yes.